What's up, guys? It's your boy Lanier here, and today I want to show you guys some of the settings that I have on my GoPro Hero 10. It's a camera that was just given to me for like an early birthday present, and I'm usually vlogging on this Lumix S5 camera. So I guess I just wanted to like play with this camera just to see if the settings could be anything that's similar to what I usually get with my Lumix S5. And I also wanted to see if the quality of this mic I just got was worth my time as well. I'm actually going to be going to Gatlinburg, Tennessee to go on a cabin trip with my friends, and this should be pretty dope. And I would love to have this camera with me instead of my Lumix S5 for doing all my vlogging all the time, because this is, of course, the GoPro is waterproof and it's fun to use. It's a lot more lightweight. I can just put it in my pocket and keep going. And so if the quality of this video looks like it's worth my time, then I'm going to go ahead and drop this video and tell you guys the settings that I have my camera on to share with you guys as well. Okay guys, so I came to the backyard because I know it's really windy in the front of the house, and I feel like it'll be a lot easier to talk about the GoPro Hero 10, which is the camera that I'm using right now to vlog on. And I wanted to talk to you guys about how I pretty much rigged this up to be a dope little vlogging camera, which is what I'm using right now. I really like how light and easy it is to work with. Oh, and by the way, I'm about to walk out to where it's more windy, so if it starts to be like really choppy, I apologize. I just hate putting this windscreen on the mic that I got, because it's like it gets in the way. It's like no way I can really kind of maneuver the microphone to sit to where it's not like slowly creeping in on the field of view. I mean, if I really was to really finesse it and start mangling it, maybe put some tape on it or something like that, it might help it, but I don't really want to go through all that. Anyways, I'm about to use the Lumix S5 to show you guys my view, so you get like a double angle real quick. Okay, so this is my view of the GoPro Hero 10. As you guys can see, I have a Rode mini mic on top, and it doesn't really seem to be sturdy or too sturdy. It's like kind of shaky, but hopefully I don't hear it in the GoPro footage. I have that on top of the GoPro Media Mod, which is the case that I have the actual GoPro in. So that helped. What I had to get that because it gives you the ability to plug in a wireless mic on the back into the GoPro, so you don't have to worry about, so you can be able to use like a more professional mic instead of using the Media Mod mic, which really isn't all that good. It's actually pretty trash in my opinion. I also have this little handle that makes it a lot easier to hold the GoPro, because I don't really want to be carrying the GoPro around in my hand like that all the time. This is just like a cool little point and shoot camera that I can use when I don't feel like using my Lumix S5 all the time. Maybe I might just use my Lumix S5 just for pictures, and then I'll whip this out whenever I want to do some action shots, which I'm pretty sure is going to be a lot of action shots going on in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Another thing that I'm doing with this GoPro Hero 10 is I'm shooting, I believe, on a flat color profile, and I'm only shooting in 1080 60p because my laptop just so happens to work with 1080 footage a lot easier than it does with 4K footage. There's plenty of 4K footage out there for you guys to check out if you really want to see the higher quality on this camera, but I'm just showing you guys the actual specs that I'm actually going to be using when it comes to making some quick edits and putting them out there just for like social media purposes, or just showing you guys around the mountains, which is what I'll be doing. So with that said, make sure you guys are also subscribed so you guys can get the notification when I start dropping videos when I make it to the mountains, because it's going to be crazy. I'm actually doing a whole road trip. I'm not flying this time, so it's going to be a whole adventure heading out to Tennessee to see what that's going to be like. And this is going to be the setup. So I know you guys are fans of my Lumix G7 videos. Some of you have also become fans of my Lumix S5 videos, but now I have a GoPro Hero 10, and I feel like this is going to be fun. There goes some wind. Did you guys hear it? I don't know. I'm excited to see how this footage looks when I go upstairs. You guys are seeing it before I do. If I posted this video, then it's probably some pretty good footage. All right, guys. If I skipped over anything when it comes to my settings, please ask me in the comments, and I will try my best to answer them as quick as possible. But until then, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video, or you guys will probably see me headed to Tennessee. Peace.